It's a little rainy and a little windy right now, but it's super high. I mean, incredibly high, and it's kind of scary. And I'm trying to get a VSCO really quick, so I'm gonna go because it's really rainy and windy, and my phone's getting wet. So bye. Okay, guys. So we came to dinner. Me and my aunt, my grandma, and the birthday boy. Happy birthday, Papa! He's got some.
Thank you, baby.
We got all this yummy food. We're about to dig in.
Delicious.
Yes, Longhorn is the best. Guys, so I'm behind the wheel because you know your girl's driving. Ha, good one. I'm not driving. And as you guys can tell, I'm sorry about that. Pretty sick right now. But anyways, we just ate at Arby's and I completely forgot to vlog. But we got these really good mint chocolate shakes. So good. And now we're gonna head in the dollar store, and there's my grandma. I love her. And also I just wanted to say again, because I don't think I said it yesterday, but I might have, but happy birthday to my papa. I know he'll watch us and I love him so much. He's like for real the best guy ever. He's the best grandpa I could ever ask for, and yeah, I'm just so thankful to have him. And so now we're just gonna hop right into this Dollar Tree. Some more stuff for my succulent DIYs video, because I think I'm going to film that tonight. But you guys will probably never see the film of it because it's probably going to be a big fail. So my plan is to cut out a cactus, but if it doesn't work out, I will update you guys. So very quick little haul. We got this sponge that is hopefully going to be in my video. We've got some St. Patrick's Day cards and stickers. And then we've got 2 succulents and some ribbon for a DIY that will probably definitely be in the video, so you guys will know. And yeah, this is probably the fewest things I've ever gotten at the dollar store. My bag was so light. But yeah, so see you guys later. So we came to a Hobby Lobby and there's literally so much stuff. I mean, it's crazy. I found this little DIY section, which is way better than my Michaels has. So this is literally me in a section. I mean, all of these colors are awesome and the cactuses are awesome. This is literally my section over here. This aisle is my home. All these succulent picks, I mean, it's perfect for me. But I actually got a flower pot like those down there that I'm going to plant some of my cacti in. So that's going to be really cute. A DIY because, you know, it's cute. I can plant my succulents in it. And I highly recommend coming here. They literally have some of the best deals.
Let's see. A lot of green stuff.
Hey, I just got the new tripod, so this is the view. This is actually really cool. So I'm gonna try it out some different angles, and I'm super happy with it. And it was only $7, and I'm really surprised. So today's Sunday now, and the wind is blowing so bad. So sorry if you hear that in the background. And there's a lot of power outages going on, and I'm stressing because I don't know how I'm gonna upload my video because the power is out here and I wasn't home yesterday. I mean, like, there's huge branches everywhere on the ground. So practice got canceled, but me and my dad are heading to the field, to the batting cage, because trials are tomorrow. So I really need to be like top notch, you know, even though, you know, I'm in 8th grade. I made it last year, but I'm not gonna think like that. So I need to go practice, and I will definitely be getting some footage now, unless my phone blows over because of the wind, and hopefully I can go somewhere to get my video uploaded. And yeah, those are my struggles right now. OOTD. I've got on my Piggly Wiggly shirt, my mess leggings, mesh, and some Nike socks. Don't mind my pajamas on the floor. It's so windy. So it's Monday now, and I got ready for school, and I walked out to the bus. And then my bus driver comes like usual, you know, on the bus, and I'm getting on, and he says, "There's no school." I had no school today because our school didn't have heat, but the high school did. But I got ready at like 6 a.m. and then I could fall back to sleep. So that's my update for today. So we came to breakfast at First Watch, and I got a to-go tea, and this thing is ginormous. It was super good. I got a burrito, but I already ate it, so. Guys, I am so sorry I couldn't get my video up Sunday, and this is kind of a weird background, but I just have not had any internet connection. I didn't even have power on Sunday, and then I was going to try to upload, but because our power came on, but our Wi-Fi never did, and then I went to free Wi-Fi, but it never worked, and it's Tuesday now, so I'm just going to wait and upload my vlog and hopefully upload that on Sunday and maybe add a DIY. We'll see. Okay guys, so that's all I have. Thank you guys for watching, and make sure to tune in Sunday for my video that will be DIYs. And yeah, thanks for watching. Bye!